Hi, and welcome to 103 Willard Multipurpose Room. In this video, we will be going over different ways to use the technology in the room for setting up and joining remote meetings using the main Mac podium and the Creston device at the front of the room. The Creston isn't on, turn it on, then choose Presentation if presenting from the Mac. Next, choose Wallplate for the option to display from the Mac, not wireless. If you do have a wireless device, you can choose that option, and from there, choose what device on the next screen you want to connect it and present from. To start a Zoom meeting, log into the Mac, launch Zoom, choose SSO for login, and enter PSU for the domain. When prompted, join with computer audio. The Logi Rally bar should be chosen for both the microphone and the speaker. The Rally bar is the device under the TV facing out into the room. If you decide you want to use the overhead camera in the middle of the room facing the front, that is the camera labeled Logitech Brio. When done with the meeting, end the meeting, log out of the Mac, and choose Shutdown on the Crestron device. Then confirm when prompted. Thanks.